Hey everybody, hope everybody's feeling fine. Hope everybody's been able to avoid any of the flu so far. And hope everybody's semester is going well. We've hit week 4. Um, and so I just kind of wanted to touch base with you all and kind of go over a few things. All of your grades should be up to date through last week. And I've enjoyed reading your discussions. I've enjoyed reading your personal excellence survey responses. I thought everybody was very insightful and honest in those, and I appreciate the personal experiences you all are willing to share with me in both the discussions and in your personal excellence surveys. And I think for this class, that's kind of the best way to learn and apply those skills is to those very real and personal situations. And so I appreciate you all for being willing to be honest and open in those. And I enjoy being able to see you guys willing to apply and work with the skills we're learning. So I appreciate that. So there's a few things that I wanted to go over with you, just kind of in the course layout, and just kind of go over what's expected this week and kind of next week as well. So up here now, you should see this chat button. I was a little slow adding that. But every week, Tuesdays, 1 to 3, that's where the chat will be, the online office hours. So you just click that link, and then there'll be several links as the semester goes on here, but click the most recent one. I'll try to make sure that's always at the top. And then you've joined, and there you are. Key point on that is it is a public chat, so anybody in the class can join at any time during those hours. So if you have anything personal you'd like to share, either regarding grades or something going on that's, maybe putting you behind in class that you don't necessarily want everybody to know about, please email me that. And that's kind of a better place for that. But in terms of online office hours, it's typically for kind of discussing any questions about assignments, any due dates, any questions you have maybe regarding, outside resources or anything like that. That's kind of the place for that. So then we'll go to content. So this week we should have week 4. This should be similar to what you all see to week 4 again. Always go to the checklist and kind of see what it's asking. And so here you've got a reading. You have 2 posts this week, and then 2 peer responses to your posts about chapter 2. So your responses to peers should be to the chapter 2 continuation post. That's where you should respond to your peers. So then in regards to the exam post, you're just supposed to post about a concept that we've read so far for the upcoming exam. And so next week we will have the exam. So there's 3 exams, so that's exam 1. And it's really kind of not your traditional, it's kind of an essay, I would say mostly essay. And so it's based on just kind of defining and discussing different concepts that are within our text. So later this week, I'll post more information on that, but I just want you to be aware that that is coming up next week. So then again, this week you'll have your discussions, so you should be able to see that in the discussion area. And as you can see, several people have already posted. So your initial posts are due Wednesday. And so again, there's 2 different sections. This first one here, week 4, is the suggestions for the exam, and kind of to discuss that. You do not have to respond to peers in that section. But here in your continuation of chapter 2 post, that is where you're expected to respond to at least 2 peers. If you want to respond to more, feel freely. If somebody responds to you and you want to respond to them, feel free to do that as well. So that's kind of what's going on this week, and then obviously next week's the exam. So that's again what's going on next week. So if you guys have any questions, any concerns, please email me. Let me know what's going on. But keep up. Overall, you all are doing a good job. The work's been really good. I've enjoyed, again, like I said, reading your posts in your discussions and also in your personal excellence surveys. So just, again, keep up the good work, and I look forward to continuing to have a great semester with you all. Have a good week.